So today is the first day, really this week, that I'm going to be able to code. It's been a crazy week. Monday, I had brake issues with my car. Tuesday, I had to be at work an hour early to do some things. There were changing things around, and we needed to train people, so I needed to come in early. Wednesday was just a catch-up day in general. Well, it was supposed to be, but I had a migraine, so no working then. Now it's Thursday, and I'm just now able to get things done. Also, you can't tell, we moved the office around. We moved the house around. We got a TV, so we're going to be splitting up the office from the entertainment room. It's no longer the office entertainment room combo. It's going to be the office workout room combo. That's the other thing, like with my shoulder being problematic, I can't lift weights, so I need to figure out how to do that too, and it's been a week, and I'm gonna make the best of it though. I'm gonna get into some coding here, and then I'll do a little bit tomorrow morning, and then I'll really be able to get into it on Saturday. I'm not gonna show you like what the office looks like right now because we're not done with it. We have plans for getting a standing desk because I really want one. We get that in, then I'll show you the office. So let's get to coding. Really quickly, I wanted to call your attention to this part of the text because it explains what a function does, and everything else that I've taken as far as free code camp, and they just do a poor job of explaining it. So it talks about how the function stores instructions for a specific task, which is this number 1. So you just name the function, and then you add everything else into it, but here's what it does. It skips down to this part. So you name it, and then this is where you do what they call, you call it. So you call the function, and that's how JavaScript knows that you go back up here, and then whatever are in these curly braces, that's what it does. So it would do this document write, and then put hello in there. And then after that, this number 4, it would continue the code after that, and it never really explained to me that it went from this part to this part, and then it came back up. I never understood that, so I just wanted to point that out really quick. That the book explains it, and like Free Code Camp and other places didn't really. Like, they explain it verbally, but seeing it visually like this is really, really helpful as far as what I've been struggling with. So I just wanted to take a couple minutes and point that out. So that wraps up this week. Clearly I wasn't able to get a lot done. It was a really stressful week. I'm happy it's the weekend. I have my hair down so that I don't have headaches with my shoulder. So I'm just gonna take the weekend to take it easy, and I'll do a little more studying, but I do plan on looking at how to have proper posture while studying and reading, because I've never actually looked into that, and that's what caused this shoulder problem in the first place. So I'm gonna do that. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week.